Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Ibrahim from IslamicFinanceGuru.com. Today we're going to shed some light on a topic around which there's a lot of mystique, the Islamic will. We're going to talk about what it is, why Muslims in the UK need one, and how getting one could actually end up saving you up to £9,700. All you Muslim fundamentalists, you're all doing the same thing. Take a normal thing, put an Islamic before it. Islamic mortgage, Islamic dress, Islamic law, Islamic will. It's all the same. So an Islamic will is like a normal will in that it is a binding legal document that sets out what happens to your assets after you pass away. But the Islamic bit is that under the sharia, there are very specific rules that govern who gets what after you pass. In fact, under Islamic law, the person who has died has a say over only a third of their estate. They can give that away to charities or causes they're particularly passionate about, or friends and family even. So an Islamic will also clearly states that you want to be buried and not cremated, and that you would like to have an Islamic funeral. This is particularly important for people who have non-Muslims in their family, because they will want that guidance and they may not instinctively go for the Islamic option. Okay, fine, I accepting that there is being such an ontological fact as there being an Islamic will, but why is I needing one? So the biggest reason why Muslims in the UK and other majority non-Muslim countries need a will is because if you die without one, your assets will be distributed according to the laws of the land and not Islamic law. That means you could be inadvertently exiting this world into the next on the wrong footing. Secondly, even if you don't have that many assets, you will still want to leave guidance about who you want to be your children's guardian in case both parents die. Thirdly, people who die without a will on average lose 9,700 in lost assets. So things like share accounts, insurance policies, land in foreign countries you didn't know about, gold safes, it all adds up. Finally, you just want to save your family the headache and the heartache that is caused from not having a will. You might think that it will all go to plan, but trust me, there's always someone who'll throw the spanner in the works. Of course, uncle, don't worry at all. You leave it with me and I will sort it out Islamically. Of course you can trust me. I am your nephew. Look at my beard. Beta, your father entrusted me with his will. His will is my will. I am going to distribute this basically Islamically. Basically. So guys, you just don't know what the future holds. That's why our Prophet, peace be upon him, told us to get a will sorted as a matter of priority. It is not permissible for a Muslim who has something to will to stay for 2 nights without having his last will and testament written and kept ready with him. So get your Islamic will sorted today. If you're a student and have very little in assets, a free will is perfect. For people with over $1 million in assets, you should talk to a trust-based Islamic will expert. For everyone else, IFG Wills is perfect. It takes 20 minutes and it's entirely online and it gets you sorted. The will link is below. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.